You know me, the reason I am radical like this, radical against sin. They can say what they like about me, I don't care. I'm not looking for a platform to preach. This voice is the voice of Jeremiah. A generation has turned its back on God. A generation has pursued vanity and vain things. He raised me to cry. When I preach, what you hear is a cry. Go and say to your fathers, what have I done that you have departed from me so many days? A generation turned his back on God. Now we are dancing all kinds of dance in church. What an abomination. We do worship concerts and we take a break to laugh, to do comedy. What an abomination. You're in the temple performing a sacred thing. If a priest had tried it before the mercy seat, he would have died. We are abusing the grace of God. In the middle of worship, we pause. Say, let's take a dose of laughter. My God. When the Bible is clear that foolish jesting should not be named amongst you, we take everything for granted. Our skirts are becoming shorter. Shorter. Don't worry. One day the worship leader will come and lead worship with pant. When the skirts were above the knee or below the knee, we began to tell people, it's not what is outward, it's what is inside. Now people are posting on Facebook to say, daughter of Zion, and all the breast is outside. That's a demon.